So here we go again. I'm going to go ahead and replace those return fuel lines in the engine bay. I do have the fuel cooler, so it is an unpleasant job. I actually have to disconnect them from underneath the engine. This is the fuel cooler here, and you can see where the two return lines actually screw into it, and it is a rather tight location. And yes, those hoses are already leaking after half a drive. So safety first. I've got my mercury vapor light lighting up the situation, so some light actually comes through from the top to the bottom, and then I'm getting underneath and I'm going to unscrew those two connections. And yeah, at this point in time I wasn't even concerned if this car caught on fire, to be honest, because I'm so over changing fuel hoses. Hopefully this is the last time. I know that the high pressure one that I made previously using the Gates greenshield has held up rather well. This is the garbage that was fitted to the car, which is already leaking after about 10 kilometers. Allegedly it's automotive fuel hose rated. I don't think so, because surely it's not acceptable to be leaking out of the ends, and the ends are already twisting around rather easily inside the hose. They were tight when this was installed, so that rubber is already decomposing. Seriously, what is this? So this is the one that I've made up. This is the Gates greenshield. I've put on my single ear clamps and crimped them myself. This is a close-up of the text that is on the hose. This is what was recommended to me by someone on my YouTube channel, and I've been very happy with it so far. This is the other return line that I'm now going to rebuild, and just to demonstrate what I'm talking about, you can see it's already oozing disgusting garbage out of the end there from the decomposing rubber, and the fitting just freely turns around in there, so that's not good. And yeah, that's leaking, and that's a return line, so it's under no pressure whatsoever. And this is one that I just rebuilt. And these are the hose clamps that I use, also recommended to me by the YouTuber. He works in a workshop, and yeah, this is what he uses, so I've been really happy with that advice. Thanks to whoever that was, I cannot remember. And these are the crimpers. They're just cheap ones I bought on eBay, and they do the job as well. So hey, I'm not a hose expert, but I'm learning. Hey, I actually did a better job than the professional, so can't complain. And that's those installed now. They're rock solid, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Next job is to actually remove the tank and clean that out. I may be doing that this weekend if time permits.